Yo, what's good, guys? I apologize for it being so late. Been caught up with a couple of things, but here is today's projections. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin, going to have a look at Ethereum, and we're going to make a visit to Ripple XRP, sorry. All right, so let's get on with it. Bitcoin. What do we see? We have effectively achieved, okay, what would look like, let me tidy this up, a head and shoulders formation. Now, we will only know if it is a head and shoulders formation if and only if price continues to the downside from where we are right now. Okay, notice the 50 EMA is flat. All right, 200 is edging towards back into the zone. All right, got the notable volume candle coming down. Price has actually behaved and formed a level 1 zone from this M formation. Notice drop, retrace, continuation to the downside, but she's starting to hold. Ideally, what you want to see is you want to see price breaking down and taking out this area here to effectively form, okay, the level 1 drop, rise, continuation to the downside, which will effectively see the psychological high for Bitcoin. All right. We're operating in highs right now, guys. People are trying to work out where Bitcoin is going to go. You know, you want to steer clear from trying to be a hero and thinking, yeah, Bitcoin's going to continue to the upside. I'm going to take it. Granted, she may continue to the upside. All right. And it's good to have that optimism. But the market effectively needs to reset. Okay. They need to give people the incentive to come into the charts. Because when it's at the highs, yeah, okay, the moon boy, he's going to be buying at the highs, fair enough. But even he has an element of tolerance where he's like, okay, I'm going to wait a little bit just in case I get caught out. Okay? So Bitcoin could form a continuation to the downside, effectively sealing level 1. We will only see that if it breaks down further. All right? We have yesterday's low in sight, the range daily low. Okay? She's been ranging to the side. They're working the highs and the lows here. Okay? So market makers at any moment could change it up. We've got to be careful. Now, points of interest. Look. We have got this candle here, this red candle, if you can see it right there. Yeah? That could be a potential zone that the price returns back to. All right? We're sat at the M2. If the M2 holds and forms a base, price should effectively come and hit the M4 zone. As we are in Thursday today, going into Friday, we could actually see this zone hold today. All right? That's a plausible option. Alternatively, she could continue back to the downside, all right, and form the level 2. Okay? But as I said before, when the market maker reveals his intention, he will do just that. All right? Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum, she's just knocking numbers out of the park. Look. Extension upon extension. She's actually hit my projections of 2455 from last night's stream. She nearly tapped the 2500 point. Okay, now she's pulling back. Now we could actually, I mean, if you do look down onto the 15-minute time frame, right, you do see a collection of candles. Watch. Nice small M formation, vector candle 1 and 2, pushing to the high, takes the range weekly high. And what do we know about the range weekly high and the range daily high? Whenever price hits that zone, it always pulls back away from it. And that's, she's done exactly just that. Stopping volume, spike to the high, induce the traders to go long, take out their orders, and then reverse price. Okay, we've got pin 1, pin 2, pin 3 on yesterday's high. All right, so this is why I don't really need to look at the daily chart, because I can see where we are at from the chart here. This was the yesterday's high right there. All right. So now if Ethereum is going to continue higher, she would need to effectively close above the 50. When she rises above it, retrace continuation to the upside. But she's near enough achieved its average daily range of the session. All right. So we do need to reset. The reset could effectively appear at the 200 EMA where she forms a base. Friday could either hold that zone or make a run for profit, return back to the upside, or continuation to the downside to effectively test the 800 EMA, because it's been a while since she's done that on the 15-minute time frame, which is the 200 day on the hourly. All right. Next one is XRP. Let's have a look at XRP. I mean, XRP now is at 1.66 at its average daily range low. All right, so she's moved to that zone. All right, it appears that she's holding as well. All right, look, you can see first leg, drop, rise, retrace. Are we at the continuation part? That's the key thing. This is what we're trying to establish. All right, key zones that we could actually visit. Yeah, we've got this zone here. Key projection points. Understanding what price is doing. Look, moving averages have come together on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah. Drop it down to the hourly. Yeah. It's the first time that she's actually done a decent consolidation at the 50 EMA on the 1 hour time frame. Okay. So we have to proceed with caution, guys. Remember, all right, until you're given confirmation by the market maker, there is nothing for us to contend with. All right, we need to wait for price to come to us. All right, so important because it's going to determine whether or not you're going to survive in this game. Yeah, cool. I hope that helps you guys. Have a wonderful day. All right, and let's stick to being pattern watchers. Till the pattern reveals itself, we sit tight.